Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get low ping in Overwatch 2 or reduce lag and improve latency. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, check your date and time right here at the bottom right. Click on adjust date and time. Wait for it. Make sure that the region here is correct. Okay. Click on this drop down and select the correct region. Once that's done, go ahead and go back. Make sure that both set time zone automatically and set time zone automatically are both enabled. Once these two are enabled, go ahead and click on sync now right here. Wait a bit, close this one. Now go ahead and go to your search bar and type down control panel. Click on this option. Now go ahead and make sure that you're under large icons. Now click on network and sharing center. Wait for it to load, and at the top left we have change adapter settings. So just click on it and double click on the network that you're currently using. Double click, now click on properties. Now here find Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4. Make sure that it is highlighted. Just click on it and just click on properties. Now copy my settings. I have here obtain an IP address automatically and use the following DNS server addresses: 8888, 8844. Okay, go ahead and pause the video if you want. And then once that's done, just click on OK. Close, 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 close. Now, once that's done, go ahead and open up in the search bar, find CMD. Click on Run as an administrator. Click on Yes. Now just move it away. Don't touch it yet. Okay. Now right-click on your Start menu. Click on Device Manager. And in here, we are going to find network adapters. Okay. So go ahead and double click on the network again that you're currently using. So as you can see here, I have two. This one is LAN or Ethernet. This one is wireless, which is Wi-Fi. Okay. So I'm currently using Ethernet. I'm going to double click on this one right here. Now go ahead over to Advanced. Okay. Now the trick here is that you're going to want to disable all that says offload. Okay. As you can see here, mine is already disabled. ARP offload, IPv4 checksum offload, large send offload, this one as well for IPv6. Basically all offload things right here. Okay. Disable all offloads and then just click on OK. Close. Now in the command prompt, type down ipconfig space /flush DNS. Hit on enter. netsh space int space winsock space reset. Hit on enter. netsh space int space IP space reset. Okay. Hit on enter. Now once that's done, just close this one. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you will now get low ping in Overwatch 2. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.